Well, ladies and gentlemen, the last time you saw me on this dairy farm, I think we had like 40 grand. Now we got $13 million. I kind of cheated a little money because I really needed to get out of debt. And I was really interested in land. But anyways, as you can see, we had some things change. The money, and we do not own the Silverado no more. Since the Ram Bighorn came out, or console, Lizard. Since this came out, I kind of just been using it on my daily driver, sold the Chevy and got this. And we upgraded, and we bought more equipment, such as this tanker truck, this top kick truck, to haul milk from our dairy to the sale point. And we also bought a square baler. Already done some hay work with it. We bought a planter. It's October. Don't judge how dirty this is. I mean, we recently got done using it. So you can see over there's a rake. And here you can see there's another tractor. And some more equipment, like the mower and the tedder. And the sprayer. Y'all know the 7810, the loader, but y'all have not seen this, and I used it on the planter. It's basically the same as it was. Never mind. Anyways, I bought a 88, or does this say 89 or 88? That says 8970. I bought an 8970 Ford for New Holland tractor. This is a mod that came out recently. I really like, if you watch Silver Farms, I really like that, was it 8760, or 8670, I keep forgetting, I think it's an 8760, but no, it's actually an 8670 New Holland, but I've always really liked the looks of these, and just how they do. Well, y'all know 7810, and this thing's got a lot. I'm talking a lot more power than this. And we also have upgraded land. And we also have planted land. We now own this field, this field, this field, this field, this field, these two back fields, and this little field that I decided not to plant. But I do know that it's soybean harvest, so let's head over to the combine. If y'all have watched the first video of me playing on this Mac and playing on my dairy farm, y'all know my 2166 and its header. I did buy a corn header for this, but right now, cutting soybeans. And yes, it's October and there's still some corn growing. I kind of also changed some other things with the seasons, because Farming Simulator just likes to limit how far you can plant. Yeah, I turned it off so I can basically plant, corn into June, because you can do that. But yeah, that corn ain't ready, but all my soybeans are ready. Let's hit the right button this time. Say we get to harvesting some soybeans. Now if you saw the short, yes. If you saw the short, you already know that we're cutting beans. But if you're new to the channel, if you're gonna watch this video, and you're watching, I can't talk, guys. If you're watching this video, I can't think. Oh, if you're watching this video, I recommend you go check out the first video I filmed on here. But yeah, a lot has changed since then. Farm has grown some more. Got more land and more money. Which, sorry guys, I cheated money. Because being a 13-year-old and being a little impatient. And, you know, some days just saying, you know what, screw it. Let's cheat some money and pay out $65,000 in debt. There's 1206 over there. Oh, if you saw the short, I keep thinking that I was in this field when I'm telling that short. We finished that field of soybeans when I was filming that short. After I filmed that short, we finished that field of soybeans. Over there where the 1206 and the wagon are. I can't remember if I need to do 200 passes. Okay, it's just one. Good, because I don't know what it's with me, but I absolutely do not like doing 2 in-road passes. Like, never been a big fan. Because I like my ups and downs, because that's what I'm used to. Oh, and backing into my corner. Should be there. I have my lines turned off so I can be a little realistic. I guess I got it back in the corner once again. It's scaring me, because it's veering off like that. What are you doing? Oh. What I was thinking is that it was going to do is that it was going to veer off like it would do with the New Holland at the Ford. Sorry about that, I just clicked there. But, yeah, good amount of change. We own a little bit more equipment. And I finally bought a corn header for this combine. Which we will. I'm going to try and mainly make this video on our harvest. Like, I want to make this video on us finishing up these soybeans and starting on that big field of corn. Well, those two finish out. And I'm thinking I'm going to plant wheat after this. So, on the round baler that I did have, I did sell that. So, and we also have down our dairy operation from, I think it was 145, or actually it was 105 cows, down to just 70, because they're a lot better to take care of. From what I found out, because 145 or 105 cows just eat. Like, it's hard to keep their health at like just 70. What is this doing? My wonders are, what is wrong with this auto steer? It's always doing its own thing. Never really liked it. What is happening? If this video is going to take an hour long, I would not be surprised if my combine wants to get on the line. Actually, I'm kind of not playing it realistic, because this combine doesn't even have any GPS. This combine is screwy. Like, what in the world? It's a, I don't know, 38 foot? The game says it's a 28 foot. Alright. Will you be on the, what in the daggum world? It's not doing with a flip. It knows that it has, like, I don't know. I don't know, maybe it's just me. with the half of the header like sticking out, or like a quarter of the header sticking out, and not too big of a fan. Life is life. Well, now it's trying to get on the road. No clue why I was not going to do what I wanted it to do last time. See how it does on this next pass. Yeah, probably after this harvest and dealing with that wagon, probably gonna upgrade to the bigger Parker wagon. Ignore my loud brothers. So, my brothers in general are just loud. Like, they don't know when to shut up. Well, Mike's this side of the field. It's like a girl that says she likes you at school, but and says and lies to you and stuff like that, lies to you and stuff like that, and ends up finding herself another boyfriend, but still somehow likes you. I wish my header could go up a little. It's going in and out. You flipping kidding. I saw a row of beans being missed. I'm like, what in the world? Well, let's see if I got enough room in this grain tank to at least cut this pass. I apparently missed. How much I got in that wagon? Yep, real shame. One row of beans. And a lot of dust. That's a good thing. Do you guys like NCAP, like to play first person in Farming Simulator? Or you guys like to be a third person guy? I kind of like to be both, but I mostly like first person. Well, I like third person too, but something about first person. I've seen people do like a challenge in Farming Simulator where they do only first person. You know, that would be something I would not mind doing. I'm getting run full, 94%. Good yields though. As you can see, here, let me stop because I know I'm on before. And as soon as I get to that, it starts to save. Anyways, let's see. I'm going to show you all my yields. So these were the first two soybean fields that we cut. I'm on the last field of soybeans. But you can see this field of soybeans did really good. I don't know what the average was, but it did really good. And then this field, it's kind of doing the same, but of course towards this tree line it's not yielding good, but towards the middle it does really good. And may as well stop. Alright, we are full. go fire up at 1206 over there in the other bean field. Definitely gonna need a green cart, but why did I shut the combine off? Alright. Tab over to 1206. Bring this old girl over there. We got some beans in here, but get rid of beans and literally get rid of beans and head over to the combine. This thing looks like the same struggles pulling this wagon. I don't know what's with my brothers. They're just morning people. I don't know. If y'all can't hear me, I apologize. Alright. She unloading. There's y'all, good shot. Say y'all when the combine's empty. Alright, well apparently, oh, sorry there guys. Well apparently, there was not enough room in this wagon to empty that combine. And man, oh man, was this 1206 struggle. I don't know what's with, you know, modders and their knowledge. Not trying to be mean or anything, but base game, or the game, why did I say base game? This 1206 mod just stopped without, like, the repower version. And it's just 95 horsepower. Like, this ain't a 4020. This is a 1206. Sorry. I did just wake up, by the way, so. Promised you guys, if you read the title on that short, that I was going to do this FS25 video, and here I am doing it in this very dust mighty room. Well, let's maybe just the right way and turn the thing around. Fire up the H. Y'all remember that H? No, y'all. Got it hooked up to the auger and the bin. Honestly, I kind of like it doing this way, not gonna lie. Just feels right, as real. And in this thing goes. As I hop over a green auger. But there we go. We got beans going to the bin. I hope we probably will have enough, plenty of room. I don't know how much these hold. They should hold enough. Put it all down. Yeah, but the wagon's empty. It is empty. Probably need to just not over. Not good. Ow. Me ankles. I'm gonna keep this ready because it's probably gonna be coming back on the road. And of course, Me and my dumb self did not watch where I'm going. We got about soybeans left. And we can probably move on to corn. So, get what's left in the combine, throw it on the wet. Sorry. Excuse me. Get what's left in the combine, park the tractor, and get back to cutting some more beans. We'll see y'all when we are done with soybeans. Alright guys, well there it is. Your last pass of soybeans for the season on the dairy farm. First soybean crop never done. So far, it's done good. See y'all out there in a row. Almost there. Well, there's our soybean harvest. We are done with soybeans. Been looking forward to get done with soybeans because I am excited to get on corn. Last load of beans in the wagon. No, it probably ain't gonna be enough room. But I'm probably gonna need to make my way over to the bins anyway to drop this header and take the combine and go pick up the new corn head. Alright, well that took a bit, since it's an old combine. There's enough room in there for a little bit, for the bit I have in the grain tank of the combine. Now I do not have a header trailer. I need to buy one. But right now I do not want to buy one, because really, I don't feel like I need one. Since all my land is majority right across from the farm. Well, let's get this thing switched over to a corn header. And I guess see y'all guys when I got a corn header on the front of the combine. Well, I said I see y'all back on a corn header. Here's the new corn header. It's a 6-row corn header. Right now I only got one field of corn. Feels weird, I planted more soybeans than corn. Everything fired up and dig in some hopefully really good yielding corn. It's doing okay. As the inroads, you never know what it's gonna be like towards the middle of the field. Get these inroads shelled, and get a grain tank full. But even though we did just start corn harvest and stuff, even though we did just start corn harvest and stuff, I'm gonna call that a video. hope y'all enjoyed it like the last one y'all did. Got to see us finish up soybean harvest. Got to see us shell a little corn. And got to see some of the new equipment that we bought and picked up. So, hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope I see y'all next time. And Happy New Year, or Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. See ya.